hey, stop scrolling for a second, because Microsoft just did something that changes how businesses run forever. They didn't release a new chatbot. They didn't drop a new feature. They built an AI coworker, an actual digital worker that lives inside your Microsoft apps, takes on your tasks, and gets them done while you focus on the big stuff. No more prompting back and forth. No more copy pasting between tools. You hand it a job, it builds a plan, it executes that plan across Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, all of it, and delivers you the result. This is called Copilot Co-work. And if you run a business, manage a team, or just want to stop drowning in busy work, you need to understand what this means, because this is not a small update. This is the beginning of a completely different way of working. Stay with me. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every single comment, so make sure you drop something below. Here's the truth about how most people use AI right now. They open a chatbot, they type a question, they get an answer, then they go back to doing the actual work themselves. That's not automation. That's just a fancy search engine. And honestly, that's been fine for a while. Getting a first draft faster, summarizing a long document, generating ideas when you're stuck, that stuff has real value. But it's still you doing the heavy lifting. You're still the one opening 6 tabs, switching between apps, copying data from one place and pasting it somewhere else, and spending half your afternoon on tasks that feel like they should already be done. The real gap has always been this: AI can talk about work, but it can't actually do the work. If you wanted to put together a full marketing report, you'd still have to pull the data yourself, build the slides yourself, write the summary yourself, and send the emails yourself. AI could help at each step, but you were still the one doing the running. That's been the ceiling, and Microsoft just blew through it. Copilot Co-work is a brand new AI agent layer built directly into Microsoft 365. And here's the big idea behind it. Instead of you prompting AI step by step, you delegate an entire task to it like you would to an employee. You give it the goal, it figures out the steps, it executes across every app it needs, and it hands you back the finished result. Think about what that actually means in practice. You type one sentence, something like, prepare a campaign launch plan for our new product, and Copilot Co-work goes to work. It analyzes your previous campaigns inside your files. It pulls the relevant data. It builds a timeline. It creates a PowerPoint deck. It drafts the announcement emails. It schedules prep time in your calendar, all of that without you clicking a single button. And here's what makes the workflow different from anything we've seen before. It doesn't just go app to app randomly. It orchestrates. It understands that the data lives in Excel, the presentation lives in PowerPoint, the communication lives in Outlook, and the files live in SharePoint. And it connects all of them inside a single workflow that you triggered with one prompt. That is not a chatbot, and that is a coworker, and that distinction matters more than it might sound. Quick one before we go deeper. If you want to learn how to build real AI workflows like this for your business, tools, systems, automation playbooks, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. It's where business owners and entrepreneurs come to learn how to use AI to grow faster and operate smarter. Every week, we're breaking down tools just like Copilot Co-work and showing you exactly how to apply them. No fluff, no theory, and just practical stuff that works. Link is in the description. Now let's keep going. Let me show you exactly what Copilot Co-work looks like in action. And I'm going to use examples that are actually relevant, like how you'd use this to grow a community like the AI Profit Boardroom, because that's a real business with real tasks, and this is how it maps. Example 1, you type this: create a monthly growth report for the AI Profit Boardroom, pull community signups, YouTube performance, email open rates, and build a strategy for next month. Copilot Co-work goes into your Excel files, pulls the numbers, analyses the trends, identifies what's working and what isn't, builds a polished slide deck in PowerPoint, writes a full summary document in Word, and drafts a team update email ready to send in Outlook. That entire workflow, which used to take half a day of switching between apps, is done in seconds. One prompt, full output. Example 2, you type: prepare a briefing for our weekly team meeting, include recent member feedback, our content schedule, and what's coming up in the community this month. It reads through your emails, pulls your SharePoint files, summarizes all the feedback into clear themes, and creates a slide deck with the talking points already written out. You walk into that meeting looking completely on top of everything, every single week without the prep scramble the night before. Example 3, you type: build a new member onboarding workflow for the AI Profit Boardroom. create welcome emails, a 7-day getting started plan, and a checklist of next steps for new members. It pulls your existing templates, writes the full email sequence, creates the checklist document, and queues the drafts in Outlook ready to review. Your entire onboarding workflow is now automated. Done. Example 4. You type, research the top AI communities competing with the AI Profit Boardroom and create a strategy for how we differentiate. It pulls your internal files, structures the competitive analysis, builds a comparison deck, and writes a strategic summary with clear recommendations. That's a full day of research and strategy work compressed into one prompt. This is the shift. You operate at the strategy level. AI runs every workflow underneath it. Here's why this update matters beyond the features themselves. There are 3 big shifts happening right now. The first shift is that AI is moving from assistant to worker. It's no longer answering your questions. It's completing your projects. That is a completely different category of capability. We've gone from AI being a smart autocomplete to AI being something that can own a deliverable from start to finish, building the workflow, running the steps, and handing you a finished output. The second shift is that your role changes. You stop being the person executing tasks. You become the person setting goals and reviewing outcomes. That's a fundamentally different job description. It opens up your time for the stuff that actually moves the needle: strategy, relationships, big decisions. The repetitive workflow execution, AI handles it. And the third shift, and this is the big one, is that Microsoft 365 is becoming an AI operating system. You're not just opening apps anymore. You're managing AI workers who live inside those apps and execute major workflows on your behalf. Copilot Co-work, powered by a combination of Anthropic Claude and OpenAI models running through Microsoft's orchestration layer, is one of the first real products that makes this vision tangible. And because everything runs inside your M365 tenant with your existing permissions and security rules, businesses can actually trust it with real data. That combination of workflow power and enterprise trust is what sets this apart from every other AI tool announcement you've seen. Here's the big picture view. Very soon, companies will not just have a human team. They'll have a human team and an AI team running alongside each other. Humans set the vision, make the decisions, build the relationships. AI runs the workflows, produces the outputs, handles the repetitive execution. 2 things before you go. First, if you want to go deep on tools like this and learn how to build real AI systems for your business, join the AI Profit Boardroom. It's where entrepreneurs and business owners are learning to automate their operations and grow smarter with AI every single week. Practical playbooks, real use cases, and a community of people doing it right now. Link in the description. Second, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free community with over 40,000 members who are all in on AI. You'll get the full notes from this video, 100 plus AI use cases, SOPs, templates, and access to people who are genuinely crushing it with these tools. Links are in the comments and description. That's Copilot Co-work. The AI coworker is here. The major workflows are already being automated. The only question is whether you're going to use it or watch everyone else do it first. See you in the next one.